In Tally Prime, a physical stock voucher is used to adjust the actual physical quantities of items in stock. This voucher is used when there's a discrepancy between the actual stock on hand and what's recorded in the system due to reasons like theft, damage, miscounts, etc. Here's how you can create a physical stock voucher in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime. Launch Tally Prime and open the company in which you want to adjust the physical stock. Navigate to Vouchers. From the main menu, go to Vouchers and then select Create under Physical Stock. Date and Voucher Reference. Enter the date of the physical stock adjustment and a suitable reference if necessary. Stock Details. In the Stock Item field, select the item for which you're adjusting the stock. In the Go Down field, select the go down or location where the adjustment is taking place. Adjustment Entries. Under Adjustment Quantity Details, you will see columns like Actual Quantity and Difference. Enter the actual physical quantity of the item on hand in the Actual Quantity column. The Difference column will be automatically calculated based on the difference between the actual quantity and the recorded quantity in the system. Reason for Adjustment. In the Reason field, provide a brief description of the reason for the adjustment, example, physical count adjustment, damaged items, etc. Accept and save. Review the voucher to ensure that the adjustment entries are accurate. Narration, optional. You can provide additional details or notes in the narration field if needed. Accept and save. If everything looks correct, press Ctrl+A or use the Accept button to save the voucher. Print or view. After saving, you can print the physical stock voucher or view it for your records.